So today I'm going to show how this one down here, can't say her name because, well, if I say her name, she'll come up here and I'll just ruin the whole thing. But I'm going to show how she gets pretty worked up over sneezes. Just has to come make sure you're okay and not dying, because sneezing obviously is a life-threatening condition. So I'm just going to fake some sneezes. She's down here chewing on her butt or something. And we'll see how she reacts. Sweetheart, yep, I'm okay. I'm okay. Yep, I'm okay. I'm okay. Yep, I'm okay. It's all okay. This is an every time occurrence. No extra clips needed. Alright, go. 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 Another one. Oh, yep. Yep. I'm okay. I'm okay, sweetheart. Yep. I'm okay.